A new generation of eco-friendly fan has arrived, the Wind Amp. The Wind Amp is able to keep you cool when it's hot outside. Traditional fans are expensive and less efficient. The Wind Amp provides you a cool breeze while saving you money. The Wind Amp uses air amplifying technology to bring a cool natural breeze into your home. The Wind Amp is built to maximize airflow by intaking air from around the fan and forcing the air through a quad motor system to cool the air without the need for fan blades. The Wind Amp's touch interface is conveniently located at the top of the fan for easy access. From the touch interface, you can adjust the airflow level, set a schedule for up to 8 hours, and turn on the fan's automatic rotation. With the included remote, you can enjoy the cool breezes the Wind Amp provides from anywhere in your home. The Wind Amp is able to horizontally rotate up to 70 degrees from its starting position. The remote can be stored on the base of the Wind Amp. Have that natural breeze when you need it the most. Save energy over traditional fans and enjoy your time comfortably.
In a fast-paced world, you've got to stand out. My name is Nelson Bales, Olympic champion, first African American on the U.S. cycling team. I spent my entire life on a bike. For work, for play, the road is my home. And on the streets, it's essential that you be safe. It's about communication. It's about being seen. That's why I wear Zackees turn signal gloves. Drivers nowadays are distracted by so many things, by their smartphones. The streets are a dangerous place. With Zackees, not only do drivers know I'm coming, I can indicate to save my life. By day, by night, keep yourself in sight. Be seen. Zackees turn signal gloves.
Hello! We're so happy you're interested in AirBar. Let's get going. The AirBar sensor is extremely easy to set up. We're going to show you the steps. AirBar comes in different sizes. If you don't already know the size of your display, just measure it diagonally and then choose the size that best suits your computer. Now your AirBar sensor has arrived, and we're going to show you how to attach it. The first time you attach AirBar, it's important that you do it correctly. Center it 3 millimeters below the bottom edge of the display. Use the width of the USB cord as a reference, and use the white alignment markers to center AirBar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach AirBar to the bottom bezel. Then press gently above the magnet points. Remove AirBar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach AirBar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that AirBar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach AirBar and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. AirBar senses input just above the display. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.
The average person spends over 50 hours a year in traffic. That's time that can be used to work, sleep, and more importantly, enjoy the moments that matter. The CityGo scooter with its new kick assist system will change how you commute forever. With the tap of a button, the scooter unlocks. It's portable and also energy efficient, being able to travel over 20 kilometers on a single charge. Ready in seconds, the handlebars flip forward at the push of a switch. With a single kick, the motor is activated and will maintain your speed. Acceleration is activated by the Smart Kick Assist system, which consists of the hub motor and new state-of-the-art smart sensors. The regenerative smart brake system is activated when you tap on the brake, making sure the battery is automatically recharged. While more than sufficient for your city commute, the adjustable handlebars and sleek design are exclusive to the City brand. Weighing in at only 9.8 kilos, the convenient size and compact design means you can take it anywhere, whether it's your car or even the train. There's nowhere you can't go with CityGo. The state-of-the-art LCD screen provides you with constant updates throughout your journey. Equipped with Bluetooth, you can also check the scooter's status with our new app. Route battery power, light intensity, speed, and scooter diagnostics will all be accessible from your phone. Whether you want to fly through traffic, go around roadblocks, or avoid the overcrowded streets, the CityGo gives you 3 speed modes: Novice, Normal, and Sports. Our intelligent app is even able to track where you've been and where you're going. What's more, with its integrated kickstand, you can park the CityGo anywhere. Here at CityGo, your safety is our top priority. With built-in headlights as well as brake lights that can all be controlled by your phone, you don't need to worry about not being seen on the road. So why waste your life waiting in traffic? Keep life on the go with CityGo.
Here in London, fashion designer Manuel Torres is showing what could be the future of clothing. These shirts were created within minutes with a new spray-on material.
It's a fabric which could be for the summer or it could be for the winter. It's all about how many layers you're prepared to spray on this material.
The liquid is made from a suspension of tiny cotton fibers and plastic, as well as a solvent. When it's sprayed, the solvent evaporates and allows the material to harden.
When you spray it, it's a little bit cold, but then when it's on, it's like second skin, and it comes off so easily. It's brilliant.
Just like existing fabrics, the material can be washed and reworn, but it can also quickly be transformed into a new clothing item.
The material themselves, after it's been sprayed, can be dissolved with the same solvent and re-spray again and again.
Instant fashion is just one use for this new technology. Torres foresees many potential applications, one of these being spray-on bandages.
Here you have totally sterilized material coming from an aerosol can, and you can have additives on it, that you could have drugs, which basically will help you to make healing the wound.